unboxing time. Okay, I'm gonna be unboxing this. I'm excited to try the hand cream and the lip balm. It is so cute how this opens like this. Here is the sample bag. You get 2 samples when you order off of Chanel's actual website. And the samples I got this time is a La Mousse. This is a cleansing to foam cleanser, and then this is a lift serum, and it says it smooths and firms your skin, of course, so we'll see how those go. And then I got the La Main hand cream, excited to try that. And then I have the Chanel lip balm. I didn't know it was gonna look like this. I thought the bottle was different. And it just has the twist. And the bottle is dark blue. And this is black. I don't know if you can tell, but that's a cute contrast. And then of course the Chanel on the top. No fragrance, just a lip balm. But that is adorbs. And then for the cream, I've been wanting this so bad. It's so stinking cute. Ooh, it's a lot bigger than I thought it would be too. This is big. So I think you just, let's see, take that off like that. Oh, interesting. So it's like a little soft part right there. Push that off. Oh, it has a fragrance. It's nice. Ooh. This is a good hand cream. I like it. It's nice and moisturizing. It has like a slip to it, so it's not like sticky or anything. And let me try the lip balm. The lip balm is very soft. I wasn't expecting it to be as soft, but it's nice. You'll hear my son. And then it comes with the notebook inside of here. But yeah, this is good. I like it. I'll be doing a what's in my bag, and I'll have these little items in there. So yeah, amazing. I really like how it feels on my skin. It really like moisturized my hand, and I didn't have any lotion or anything on before. So it doesn't leave like a sticky residue or anything like that either. It just feels like it really like made my skin like glow. I don't know if you can like tell, but it's nice. I like it so far. And it's a good size. Like I have long, big hands. And it's a pretty good size. I thought it was gonna be smaller than this, but I like the size of it. And I like it. I really, really do. This color is like different from this part. It's like a squishy little bottle. And then this is adorable. I didn't know it was gonna come in this packaging. I thought it was gonna be black with like silver on there, but that's how it looked on the website. But this is still cute too. It is a lot softer, like the actual texture and formula of this is softer than I thought. So, I mean, so far it does feel moisturizing. It's not very much. This is how much it comes with. So that's as far as it goes. And I feel like it would get used up fast because it is like, I don't know how to explain it, but I feel like it'll go fast basically because of how slippery it is. I think this is a cute little bottle. This is cute. I can't wait to use it. Hopefully I like it, and we'll see if I reorder again. But that is what I got. It's a rich one, and it's supposed to be more moisturizing, of course. So there's another one. Actually, there's 3 of them. There's 2 white bottles, and then there's a black bottle. And that one's supposed to be like maybe a sunscreen in there too. But yeah, that is what I got, you all. I hope you enjoy. If you have these, let me know, because I am just interested to see other people's thoughts on luxury cosmetic items. And I also might do a video, like, you know, on a review of like just Chanel cosmetics. So there you are, you all.